Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the most famous breakfast recipe of Andhra. It's nothing but Uggani. Locally it's called as a Uggani. Basically it is like a puffed rice upma we can say. So the main ingredients is puffed rice. So before we get into the video, those who are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel and on your notification by pressing the bell button. So let us see, here I have taken some puffed rice. So we have to soak it in a water. So the soaking time is nothing but like you can soak it and then we can start the cooking process. So by the time we have to mix this puffed rice, it will take about 10 minutes, the cooking time. So within that cooking time, it will become a soften. So like this, make sure all the puffed rice will become soaked perfectly like this, and just keep it aside. We'll move ahead for the further process. I kept a big kadai here and I am adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. So once the oil got heated, I am adding mustard seeds, then jeera seeds. So we'll be adding further little more seeds to it like urd dal, and then groundnuts. So these are all the other seeds which will give highlight the taste of our Uggani. Then little basin dal, and just give a nice mix, a nice fry to it. And along with this I am also adding chopped garlic and chopped green chilies and few curry leaves, and then give a fry nicely about 2 minutes. Then we can add chopped onions to it. So few people will also add tomatoes also to it. It is just an optional. Tomato will make the Uggani little gravy kind of. Like this. Onion, once it's turned into brown, we can add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, and then sufficient to the taste salt. So salt I am adding sufficient to all the quantity of that puffed rice, including that I am adding here. So then give a nice mix. Just make sure it will roasted nicely. So meanwhile we will just squeezed off our all puffed rice from the water. So it's all took around 5 to 8 minutes. See, the puffed rice become very soft. So like this you have to squeeze out all the water content and take out the puffed rice like this. So make sure you will squeeze the water nicely. So this is the quantity what we got. Now I am going to add this quantity to our mix like this. So once you add it, give a nice mix to it. So make sure it will all mix well with this puffed rice, all this masala. So here you can check the taste of the salt also. If it is little less, you can add little salt also. You can adjust the salt taste here. So once you give a nice mix to it, we'll be adding the chopped coriander leaves to it. So actually the coriander leaves will highlight the taste of the this Uggani actually. So I've added a handful of chopped coriander leaves, and then I'm giving a nice mix. So once you give a mix to it, just close it and allow it in the full sim flame, that is like low flame. Allow it to get it is not cook actually, to get heated, because puffed rice we took it out from the water, so that also has to get heated. No, that's why we have to close this and allow it for about 5 to 6 minutes. That's all. So our yummy puffed rice Uggani is ready here. Hope this will be useful to you all. Please give a trial and mention your comment down. And as well, if you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And thank you so much for watching.